Hey, Hypno Buddies. I am so, oh boy, am I excited about Hypnothoughts 2020. Not only do I get to attend, which just jazzes me to no end, but I get to present. I am so excited. I've got two presentations, count them two. I'm one of the lucky ones. Two presentations. Saturday, I'm going to give you a chance to learn something about a sane alternative to sliding scale. If you're like me, you've been frustrated by being unable to help people who couldn't afford your fees. I wish I could help everybody. Of course, there's not room for that. Have I got a system that makes it so easy to help a very limited number of people? You're going to learn all about it. It's easy to implement, easy to maintain, and gosh, it's rewarding. Hope to see you there on Saturday morning. On Sunday, Parkinson's Pete and the Amazing Hypnotic Adventure. I'm telling you about the Hypnotic Adventure. This is an amazing thing. And I didn't give Pete the name, Parkinson's Pete. He picked that himself. I'm not labeling anybody. But Parkinson's Pete changed my experience as a hypnotist. And whatever he said about Parkinson's, you can actually apply to a lot of things, and you could learn. And I'm looking forward to telling you about Parkinson's Pete and the Amazing Hypnotic Adventure. You're going to love it. Anyway, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I know, I like it. I'm going to see you at Hypnothoughts. And if you can't make it, gosh golly, gee willikers, I'm sorry about that. Watch the video. Contact me if you need it. I'll just be so happy to help. All right. Bye.